Hello friends, welcome to the GATE 2020 question paper solution series. And the question here, a binary random variable x takes values plus 2 or minus 2. The probability p of x is equal to plus 2 is alpha. The value of alpha rounded off to one decimal place for which the entropy of x is maximum is. So let me we know to entropy for the entropy to be maximum, the probability of two events should be equal. So for p of p of x is equal to plus 2 should be equal to p of x is equal to minus 2. Uh, Alpha should be equal to 1 by 2. The correct answer is 0.5.